Dun, dun, dun. It's Iowa. The good buddy Kansas. We got birds on our heads. Oh, Kansas flew away. Bird. I know I got double bird on me. In here in the Grand Canyon. The best location sites in the world. Well, one of those birds just left. Still got one on me. Mississippi. He's trying to get both. Oh! Thanks, Mississippi. Whoa, don't get the bird on you, Iowa. I don't think you're gonna poop on me. Bird on you too, Mississippi. Oh yeah, I don't really like that there, you know. Oh, he's off. Hey, you know, he looks like poop. I think we can see the poop, Iowa. But that's not the poop. That's New Hampshire. A bird's still on my head. Your California coming in. Your California almost coming out. But not completely. Oh yeah. Kansas is becoming closer to me, don't you think? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, is that Alaska? I'm Alaska. Daily National Park, one of my landmarks. See y'all. I'm Wisconsin. Whoa, Kansas got a bird on you. Oh yeah. I really like the sight. She's pooping on me. Ew. That looks good. Let's see a bunch of birds. I want to leave. It's a long way down. Oh, yeah. You're right, it is a long way down. I don't think you really want to go down there. I would want to dodge the birds. Because this... Oh, no. So many birds. Be careful being there, because I think I see a bird coming towards your way. What? A bird in my... There you are. I want to move. There. So many birds flying around. Oh, it's because I really use your help now. Whoa, that's not on me. It's on Kansas. Oh, Kansas got another bird on you. I think I might be the same bird last time. Oh, I hope not, because then I'm going to get the same poop. The only way you can recognize the same bird that's been on you, if it's the same, not by its feathers, there's a bunch of same birds flying around. Ow! It's their poop. If they smell the same, it contains the same. Great state of Oregon is gonna land. Hey, it's Kansas. You don't always have to say you're the great state of Oregon. We all know it's just the state of Oregon. Hey, Wyoming, you lifted me up. Why'd you do that? Oh yeah, I just wanted to, because I could get more space for other states to come. Hey, this is Arizona. I'm scaring that bird away. I'm a scarecrow. I'm a scarecrow. Hey, you're a state scarecrow. That's pretty funny. Oh yeah, we can always use you for a state scarecrow, because there's always birds flying around. Yo, 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 yo! It is me, Idaho, ready to go. Yo, 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 yo! We almost left. Oh yeah, I think we almost did left. Hey, Wyoming, it's your best friend, Colorado. Hey, Colorado. Me, Colorado. I'm gonna be up here. Oh yeah, it's Iowa. I think we're almost losing. Quick, enter that city now. Hey, you completed the game for us.